Hey everyone, it's Tdawg here with Tdawg Trading. Thanks for making me part of your day. I really appreciate the support. Today I've got a live options trade for you. It is a red day. I took the single trade on the SPY. I took 395 puts. I was averaging into it up into VWAP, and it was just a choppy day. You know, I don't know if you saw my thumbnail, but the chop was in session for the key market players, the SPY, the Qs, AMD, Apple, you know, all the key large cap players. It was just really choppy. You know, hopefully we see some better movement through the rest of the week. But hey, I've got a live trade for you. Can walk you through it. Let's go.
All right, so now I'm going to try to, obviously the trim's formed, but you should be able to see a bounce here. It held up right there at the 394 level. Does it make it all the way back to 395?
So essentially, I just watched the SPY, come down. I had a level marked right here at about 394.37, but it came all the way down sub, what was its dip? Came all the way down here to just right down to 394. So I would have been stopped out if I'd have made that entry. I never felt comfortable with that. I should have taken it. I just wasn't prepared. I wasn't prepared to take the 394 calls. Anyway, I missed taking the dip off of this. And I would have gotten stopped out. I would have just barely gotten stopped out. So I'm kind of glad that I didn't. So now my thought process is that I think it's going to come back up. Obviously, it's had a pretty good sell-off at the very beginning. We're at, the first 10 minutes of the day. I really kind of thought, we would send this trend. So now I'm sitting here waiting for it to come back up. I want to get it to the 20, and I want to size in somewhere between the 20 EMA and VWAP with probably right around high of day as my stop. So that's the strategy. That's what I'm looking at right now as I'm heading into this trade.
I buy into it through 395.50. This is the 395 put.
Here I get half my position with 5 contracts. Right now I'm looking
I'm going to buy 5 more.
getting 5 more as it goes through VWAP with a
I
high
think
of
it
day
might
as my
do
exit.
a spike up here. I'll give it 2. I want to give it to 390. I want to see if I can't get 5 more around 395.25, maybe 20, 395.30. It looks like it's going to hold off there at that EMA there, though. This might be the best I'm going to get. No? It's pushing through. Let's make it the VWAP. All right.
At this point, I'm wishing it wouldn't have gotten any higher, obviously. Um, I just, it was just a really choppy day, unfortunately. I really
Okay.
had thought what it was doing here at VWAP was a good sign that, it was having trouble pushing through and that it was going to follow its trend. It was going to push downward and create newer lows, get below 394. But that's not what we ended up seeing.
Shit. Hopefully that's the spike. Come on, push down. Let's get below this 394 level.
Honestly, a wick like this on the 1 minute, was looked really positive to me. It looked like I was really going to see some follow through. And I did see a little bit. I got into the green on this trade probably here in about a minute.
Must be at
But
137.
again, I was expecting a lot more.
Don't like that move. Don't like that move at all. I'm going to give it to that trend line.
So right here, this rejection against this trend line, a good sight for me. I really thought this trend's going to hold and it's going to frustrate the bulls, and I'm going to be able to take advantage of it.
Right there. Ah! Give it just. Damn. Strong candle right there. Damn it.
At the end of the day, I have to look at it as if I got out when I was supposed to. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this type of content, please subscribe, hit that like button. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.